Hello boys and girls, it is Mr. Giamini. I want to take a look at problem number 29 for tonight's evening practice. It is definitely a challenging problem, so I thought I could model it for you guys, and this will really show me who's using the blog effectively. So, we have y equals 5x minus 2, we have 4x plus 3y equals 13. We are going to solve each system of equations. So we're going to try to solve for the x and the y, and in doing this we'll get our ordered pair. What I'm looking at first, I already see that this is y equals, so I want to simplify this or make this into figuring out what y will equal over here. So first thing I do, I'm not even touch this side, it's already done for us, which is great. I'm going to go over here, subtract 4x from both sides. Let me get a different color here. Subtract 4x from both sides. Now I do notice that you guys tend to like to put whatever that subtracting is and leave that second, so I can do that. We could do 3y is equal to, I'm going to do this, we have 13 minus 4x. I now need to get rid of the, I am going to evaluate for 1y, not 3y, so divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3, that cancels, I'm left with y is equal to 13 minus 4x divided by 3. Now that looks really ugly. We're going to work with that though at first. So now I have both my y's being equal to something. So now we know what y equals to. Let's find what x equals. So now we're going to make both of those equal to. So we have 5x minus 2 is equal to 13 minus 4x divided by 3. So I had that divided by 3. We learned earlier in this chapter that to get rid of fractions, just multiply the entire equation by that denominator, by 3. So that's going to give me 5 times 3, use that distributive property. 5 times 3 is 15x, minus 6 is equal to 13 minus 4x. I'm going to turn a page here, I'm going to rewrite this. So 15x minus 6 equals 13 minus 4. So we had, I'm going to keep this here, so we have 15x, I've already forgotten this, minus 6 equals 13 minus 4x. Okay, so what we need to do is get the x's on one side, these integers, whole numbers on their side. So let's go ahead and add 6 to both sides. And because I'm doing two different terms here, I could keep this all together. So I'm going to now add 4x, I'll just change the colors to both sides. Come across, I now have 19x is equal to 19. Oh, this is great. Cancel out, divide both sides by 19. Hey, I have x is equal to 1. So in my ordered pair, we know that x is equal to 1. I now substitute x back into here. 5 times 1 is, let's see, 5 times 1 is 5. Minus 2 is 3. Alright, so I know y equals 3. Let's see if this works. If I substitute in 1 for x here, and I know that y equals 3. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 times 3 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 13. 13 does check to 13. We're good. Hope this helps, boys and girls. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.